In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Fiverr profile name. Whether you're looking to rebrand yourself or simply want a fresh start, updating your profile name on Fiverr is a straightforward process. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your account if you haven't already done so. You'll find the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. After signing in, look at the top right corner again, where you should see your profile picture or a circle with your initials. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to click on Account Settings. This will direct you to a new page where you can manage different aspects of your account. It's the hub for all your personal settings, so you'll want to explore this page if you haven't already. Now, on your left sidebar, you should see an option labeled Personal Information. Click on that, and it will bring up a section with your account details. This is where you have the ability to change your name and other personal details. You should see a button labeled Go to My Profile. It's easy to spot, and clicking on it will bring you directly to your profile page. Once you're on your profile page, you'll see your current profile name at the top. Click directly on your profile name, and it should allow you to edit the field. A good thing to remember is to choose a profile name that represents you or your brand, well, because this is how clients will recognize you. Type in your preferred new name here, and make sure it aligns with Fiverr's community standards and any personal branding guidelines you might have set for yourself. After you've typed in your new name and are satisfied with the change, look for the Save button. It's typically located near the bottom of the screen. Clicking Save will ensure that your changes are updated and visible to anyone visiting your profile. Voila! Your Fiverr profile name is now updated. And there you have it, the simple yet effective way to change your profile name on Fiverr. Thanks for sticking with me today, and I hope this has helped you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your online presence. See you in the next video!